Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Pipedrive with Outlook. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. First up, just go ahead and log into your admin account in Pipedrive. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and go to Marketplace. All right, just click on it. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to click on this search box right here and type in Outlook. All right, once done, just hit on search or hit on enter in your keyboard. And here specifically, we're going to want to look for Pipedrive for Outlook. All right, just click on it. Now in here under description, you can go ahead and click on the video to watch the tutorial. If not, just go ahead and follow my instructions. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down to let you see what it's going to do. All right, right here, as you can see, you can access vitals in Outlook, add info on the fly. You can easily create contacts, deals, and notes in Pipedrive from Outlook, and it's going to keep everything synced. You do have the instruction for setup and installation right here. All right, and resources. Now, once you're done reading everything right here, just click on authorize, wait for it to load. All right, as you can see here, it will redirect us to another page. And as you can see here, it says, choose which way you use Outlook to Pipedrive for Outlook for 7 days for free immediately. No credit card required. If you want to, you can go ahead and click on Outlook for Windows, new Outlook on Windows, Outlook on Mac, or Outlook on the web, which is right here. So I'm just going to continue with the Outlook on the web. I'm going to click on proceed with install right here. Now it says inside Outlook in your web browser, open email and look for the apps icon right here. I'm just going to open up a random email right here. And then I'm going to click on apps. All right. Now we're going to click on get add-ins. Click on the plus sign and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to click on the search add-ins button or box right here. Now type in Pipedrive. Wait for it to load. As you can see, Pipedrive for Outlook is available. I'm just going to click on it and hit on add. Wait for the process to finish. And it says here added. And automatically, it is now pinned to the email items for easy access. Now, after that, just go ahead and click on the apps again. And you should be able to see Pipedrive for Outlook. Just click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, you're going to want to click on login with Pipedrive and hit on allow. It will open up a mini window. Just wait for it to open. And once it opens, just go and click on next, allow and install, and wait for the process to finish. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.